level 3.
And here's level 4. It's a castle one.
It's more difficult.
Yep. That's why I don't know how to play. But level 4 is not difficult.
So you will save the princess.
but
Yay.
this one's not difficult.
Ah, okay. So that's easy.
Yep. That's easy for me. I squash the mushrooms.
Because you're so great.
Oh no, you don't. Oh no, you don't. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I did.
Speed mo po tanin mo.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. There again.
Why?
One.
Okay. I will shoot the ball.
Ball.
No, that's not.
Okay.
Salit eh.
Nangamungan.
Oh, gani?
Bye.
Goodbye.
Mario.
Mario.
Hindi to siya pwede. Napoy.
Pulpuli lang siyang mami eh. Oh, mga tralala.
Hindi siya po ipupula nga kanina ba?
Ito man naghangop yung mga lolo.
Hindi ba nabi ko? Doon. No?
Isa. Wala di siya mamisdaan.
Nganong malusok na siya eh?
Goodbye, Marshmallow.
Ito ka may bibigay. Huwag ka ba na sa direct bibigay?
Sa mga medisina ni Ika.
Pinagtan po no? Tignan ninyo.
Advil, Andrew, no? Andrew.
Si mga kuhan ba?
May
Dili.
medicine ni si Advil.
Panguta. Eh, ala, init to siya ka. Tingnan ninyo siya pakuhaan ng Advent. Dito pataka kayo na. Yun. American. American ini. American.
Goodbye. What? Here I go. Four. Yep. Level 1-4.
You're so, ano. No, why you na toothbrush?
I'm stuck on this level. Ay.
Ah, that got me.
She is lobat now. He is lobat. No energy anymore.
I have more chances.
Do you drink first medicine?